gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Most thin and lightweight phones usually come with a compromise, either fewer cameras or a tiny battery. But the Mate 70 Air finally gets it right. It measures just 6.6 millimeters in thickness, weighs only 208 grams, and has a width of 81.5 millimeters. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The moment you pick it up, it feels incredibly light, balanced, and easy to hold without that top-heavy feeling many slim phones have. Even with this ultra slim design, it doesn't cut corners on photography. Besides the main sensor, the Mate 70 Air packs a wide-angle lens, a telephoto lens, and even supports red chrome imaging, giving photos more accurate and lifelike colors. On top of that, it carries over features from the Pure 80 series, including a personalized color chart, AI-powered composition tools, and several fun, practical shooting modes. Whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits, the AI composition instantly analyzes your scene and helps guide you to the best angle, perfect for beginners and great for sharpening your photography skills. The phone's nearly 7-inch display brings a huge upgrade in content viewing compared to the standard Mate 70. The Pro and upcoming models push this even further, sitting between the Mate 70 Pro and Pure X in body width. If the Pure X is known for its fold-out style, the Mate 70 Air almost feels like a lighter, more streamlined take on that concept. Its aspect ratio lets you view more text and images on the screen at once, making reading, scrolling, and browsing much smoother. It's also the first ultra-slim device in the industry to earn the Great Video certification. With enhanced speakers and a broader soundstage, the audio experience is noticeably richer and more immersive. The 18.89 aspect ratio and an impressive 94.1% screen-to-body ratio pull you deeper into whatever you're watching. Whether it's dramas or short-form content, the wider view and minimal black bars make everything feel bigger and more engaging. And when it comes to gaming, especially shooters like PUBG, the difference is huge. The wider screen reveals information you'd normally miss with a quick swipe, and the stereo speakers accurately pinpoint enemy footsteps, giving you a real edge in every match. What's even more surprising is that this ultra-thin 6.6 millimeter frame still fits a massive 6,500 mAh battery. There's no trade-off between thickness and endurance. It goes head-to-head with mainstream flagships and holds its ground easily. The heat dissipation performance also exceeded my expectations, keeping the device cool even during heavy use. The Huawei Mate 70 Air debuts a brand new full-frame VCA cooling system with a stepped welding structure, and its VCA area reaches an impressive 6,700 square millimeters. Even during long, demanding sessions, the phone only gets slightly warm, never uncomfortably hot. Another standout feature is its two-way Beidou satellite messaging, paired with Huawei's patented ultra-narrow antenna design. This setup ensures stable and accurate signal coverage, whether you're dealing with complete network outages, momentary signal drops, long tunnel navigation, or even device location needs. HarmonyOS 5.1 is also a major part of the experience here, delivering smooth, fluid performance in everyday use. And what you're hearing now is the Mate 70 Air's call quality with intelligent noise reduction switched on. The clarity really holds up, even in my current environment. Features like AirDrop and Tap to Share also make transferring files, photos, videos, and music between devices surprisingly seamless. There's also the AR Phantom Detection tool, which scans for suspicious ghost-like traces during video calls to help prevent scams and keep your personal information safe. Some people might notice that this phone's overall style feels a bit familiar, almost reminiscent of the Mate 20X. And honestly, in terms of what it can do, it definitely carries that same spirit. It even supports Stylus input. Huawei provides the same stylus used with the Mate XTS, giving you the ability to take handwritten notes, annotate documents, highlight content, and even perform air gestures like turning pages or swiping the screen without touching it. All in all, this is a slim, large-screen device that delivers a true flagship experience across the board. If you've been thinking about switching to a sleek, big display phone, the Huawei Mate 70 Air might just be the one that wins you over. That wraps up this hands-on look at the Huawei Mate 70 Air. For more tech updates and reviews, make sure to follow the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.